Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download the Nepal Airlines app on your smartphone. Nepal Airlines is the flag carrier and oldest airline of Nepal. So whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Nepal Airlines app on your phone comes very handy to manage your travels. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type in Nepal Airlines. You'll see the Nepal Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Nepal Airlines International app developed by Nepal Airlines Corporation. So this is the official app. You can also check its logo. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android device or a get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will now automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. And there you go. You have successfully downloaded the Nepal Airlines app. Now take some time to explore its features. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.